Have you ever wondered how some people seem to naturally attract wealth and prosperity into their lives? What if you could tap into that same source of abundance and start seeing real changes in your financial situation? Today, we're going to explore some powerful ways you can align yourself with the universe to not only attract wealth, but also cultivate lasting prosperity. This isn't about quick fixes or overnight success. It's about setting the foundations that allow wealth to flow into your life continually. Let's start by diving into the concept of universal laws, which are the underlying principles that govern our interactions with the universe. Among these, the law of attraction is perhaps the most famous, suggesting that we attract into our lives whatever we focus on. If our focus is on abundance and success, we invite more of that into our lives. But it's not just about positive thinking, it's about aligning our thoughts with actionable steps. The universe operates on frequencies and vibrations. When we align our personal energy with the kind of energy that signifies prosperity and wealth, we begin to attract those opportunities. This alignment isn't mystical, it's practical. For instance, when you are optimistic and open to opportunities, you are more likely to take actions that lead to success. You attend more networking events, you speak up about your ideas, and you are not afraid to invest in your growth. But the law of attraction is just the tip of the iceberg. There are other universal laws like the law of action, which emphasizes that action must accompany our intentions. It's not enough to simply wish for wealth or visualize it. You must also take concrete steps to achieve it. This law reminds us that while the universe is expansive and generous, our actions are the ground on which we stand to reach out and receive its gifts. Another significant principle is the law of correspondence, which states, "As above, so below, as within, so without." This means that our outer world reflects our inner state. If our internal environment is cluttered with doubts and negative beliefs about our worth and potential, our external environment mirrors that with missed opportunities and unfulfilled potential. Hence, cleaning up our mental and emotional landscape is crucial for attracting prosperity. Moving forward, let's talk about cultivating a prosperity mindset. This involves more than just wishing for wealth. It's about fundamentally believing in the abundance of the universe and our rightful place within it. A prosperity mindset is characterized by an unwavering belief that there is more than enough for everyone, including you. This shift in thinking opens the door to wealth by allowing us to act from a place of abundance rather than scarcity. To cultivate this mindset, begin by observing your thoughts about wealth and success. Are they positive and affirming, or do they dwell on lack and limitations? Transforming our thought patterns can start with simple daily affirmations such as, "I am worthy of financial abundance," or "Wealth flows to me in numerous ways." Over time, these affirmations help to reshape our subconscious beliefs and align our mental state with the frequencies of abundance and success. It's also essential to visualize what prosperity looks like for you. Is it freedom from debt, owning a home, or perhaps feeling secure in your retirement? Visualization is a powerful tool, not just for the clarity it brings, but for the way it engages our emotions. Feeling the joy of achieving your financial goals can be a potent motivator and attractor of the actual experiences. However, cultivating a prosperity mindset also means addressing and clearing out the negative energies and blockages that can sabotage our best intentions. These blockages often stem from past experiences, fears, or ingrained beliefs that no longer serve us. They can manifest as a reluctance to take risks, a persistent belief that money is evil, or a subconscious fear of success. Clearing these blockages begins with awareness. Take time to reflect on your attitudes and behaviors around money. Are there patterns that seem to recur, such as a cycle of debt or a ceiling on your earning potential that you can't seem to break through? Meditation and mindful reflection can help bring these patterns to light. Once identified, actively work on releasing these blockages. This might involve forgiveness, perhaps forgiving yourself for past financial mistakes, or forgiving others who may have instilled limiting beliefs in you. It can also include practical steps like seeking financial advice to overcome recurring financial issues, or engaging in workshops and seminars that focus on financial empowerment. Regularly clearing out these negative energies creates a cleaner, more vibrant space for positive energies to flourish. It's about making room for prosperity and allowing the universe to respond to our clear and system. Now that we understand the importance of cultivating a positive mindset and clearing out negative blockages, let's focus on the power of visualization. Visualization is not just about seeing what you want in your mind's eye. It's about creating such a vivid and compelling picture that it feels as real as your current reality. This practice is critical because it bridges the gap between wanting something and actually preparing to receive it. Begin your visualization practice by defining clear, specific goals. Instead of just visualizing having more money, picture what you will do with this wealth. Imagine paying off your debts, the joy of saving for your future, or the freedom of making a large charitable donation. The key is to involve all your senses. See yourself touching the money, feel the emotions of security and freedom, hear the conversations you would have, and even smell the new car or home. These detailed visualizations signal to the universe that you are ready and willing to receive what it has to offer. Consistency in visualization strengthens its effects. Make it a daily ritual, perhaps each morning or before you go to bed. The more consistently you visualize, the more deeply embedded these images become in your subconscious, enhancing their power to manifest in your reality. While visualization sets the stage, taking action propels you into the realm of actual results. Remember the law of action we discussed earlier? It states that to attract what you want, you must also take steps towards it. This is where many people falter, mistaking visualization and positive thinking as substitutes for action. They are not. Instead, they are the precursors that prepare you to take effective action. Start by breaking down your financial goals into actionable steps. If your goal is to increase your income, consider what actions can directly contribute to this. Can you ask for a raise, start a side business, or invest in your education to qualify for a higher paying job? Each small step should align with your larger vision of prosperity and be infused with the positive energy you've cultivated through your mindset and visualization practices. Staying open to opportunities is crucial. Sometimes the universe delivers in unexpected ways. An old colleague might offer you a business partnership, or you might stumble upon a chance to invest in a promising startup. Be ready to step out of your comfort zone and accept these opportunities, as they are often the universe responding to your call. Celebrate every small victory along the way. Each step forward is a manifestation of your alignment with the universe and your active participation in the creation of your prosperous life. This not only enhances your confidence, but also reinforces your belief in the process, encouraging you to continue pushing forward. Building on the foundation of visualization and action, let's explore another crucial element in attracting wealth and prosperity: gratitude. gratitude does more than just make us feel good. It fundamentally changes how we interact with the world. And when you focus on being thankful for what you have, you operate from a place of abundance, not lack. This shift in perspective is powerful and can significantly impact your ability to attract more prosperity into your life. To integrate gratitude into your daily life, start a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you are grateful for, no matter how big or small. This practice helps you notice and appreciate the abundance already present in your life, which in turn attracts more abundance. It could be as simple as being thankful for a sunny day, a supportive friend, or a stable internet connection. Over time, this practice increases your overall sense of well-being and tunes your energy toward positivity and receptivity. Expressing gratitude directly to others can amplify its effects. When you acknowledge others' contributions to your life, it not only strengthens your relationships, but often leads to more opportunities for mutual support and prosperity. This reciprocal exchange of value and appreciation creates a cycle of positivity that can bring about even greater abundance. Another vital aspect to consider in your journey towards wealth is networking. The saying, "It's not what you know, but who you know," holds a significant truth in the world of wealth creation. Building a network of supportive, like-minded individuals can open doors to opportunities you might never encounter on your own. Begin by actively seeking out groups and communities where people share similar goals and values. Attend workshops, seminars, and social gatherings that resonate with your aspirations. Engage genuinely with others, offering your skills and knowledge where applicable, and be open to learning from those you meet. Remember, effective networking isn't just about taking, it's about giving back and creating value for others as well. While we continue on this journey, it's crucial to discuss the importance of consistency and patience in attracting wealth and prosperity. These virtues are not merely beneficial, they are essential. Consistency in applying the principles we've talked about, from maintaining a prosperity mindset to engaging in active networking, lays the groundwork for sustained success. Similarly, patience is vital, as the changes you're making may take time to manifest fully in the physical world. Implementing daily practices like visualization, gratitude journaling, and strategic networking should become part of your routine, not just activities you turn to occasionally. For instance, setting aside time each day for visualization reinforces your goals and keeps your focus sharp. Likewise, regular updates to your gratitude journal can turn what might initially feel like a chore into a habitual source of joy and abundance. Patience plays a key role when progress seems slow. It's easy to feel discouraged when results don't appear immediately or when obstacles arise. However, it's important to trust the process and understand that every effort is building towards your larger goal. Remember, the universe doesn't operate on our schedule, and sometimes what seems like a delay is actually the perfect timing for the right opportunities to arise. As we wrap up how to align ourselves with the universe to attract wealth and prosperity, let's recap the key points we've covered. We started with understanding the universal laws that influence our ability to attract wealth, moved through the importance of cultivating a prosperity mindset, cleared out negative energies, visualized our success, took actionable steps, expressed gratitude, and expanded our network. All these elements are interconnected and essential in creating the life of abundance you desire. Now, I encourage you to take these insights and begin applying them in your life. Start small if you need to, but start today. Whether it's rewriting your financial goals with a clear visualization in mind, jotting down what you're grateful for, or reaching out to a new contact in your network, each action you take is a step closer to the prosperous life you are aiming to create. Thank you for joining me in this exploration. Remember, attracting wealth and prosperity is not just about having the right resources. It's about being in the right mindset, connected to the right people, and aligned with the universal energies. Keep pushing forward, stay consistent, and remain patient. The universe is vast and abundant, and it's waiting to respond to your call.